I'm the executive director of the Aerospace Museum of California. We have an amazing relationship and partnership with San Juan Unified School District, and we have an incredible event today that helps inspire young girls into STEM education careers.
We are here today with nearly 400 San Juan Unified students, and they've been able to engage in tabletop presentations. And so they were able to interact, ask questions, build things together, and then they participated in an amazing panel presentation. And our girls were able to ask any question from what did you want to be when you grow up, to what inspired you to get into this field, to what are some of the challenges that you face as women in these fields.
We have a group of 4th grade girls from Howe Avenue, leader girls who have been nominated and selected to join us.
We were making airplanes with those glitter things. It was like a paper and we put it on it. We throw it in the air to see if it works.
It was it's about for women, you could learn about science and math. I liked it when we were walking around, we were exploring everything.
The best part of the day was when the women's were telling us what they were and what they do.
Learning about this new stuff, it's what will the experiences be like in college, you know? Will there be stuff like this? And just excites me for later on.
These really are elevated professions that take degrees and advanced degrees, and we're hearing a message of you can do it, and we want you to do it, and we expect you to do it. And I think that having these conversations so early at the elementary level will normalize those expectations, and we're going to see a lot of our San Juan students moving up in the ranks in these fields.